Hello, Assalamualaikum. Good morning, kids. How are you this morning, kids? I hope all of you are doing fine. Okay, grade 4. From today math lesson, I will not giving you a PPT slides video, but instead, I will show you the example from your workbook, how to do the work, and then you can continue doing it by yourself. And after that, I will continue our lesson about squares and squares area. Okay, kids, let's continue first. You can open your book, page 71. This page is about calculating the area, but it's the simple one rather than my PPT slide the other days. Is actually using a formula, but from these books, from this question, we will not do that. Instead, you just counting all of the square inside and you can find the area. It's much easier. Okay, please make sure that you watch this properly and you listen to teacher via lesson. Okay, let's read the instruction first. Number 1. Sort the shapes in order from the smallest area to the largest area. Write the correct order of the letters in this box. Okay, before we ordering them from the smallest to the largest, we need to first counting and find the area of those shapes. Okay, let's see how teacher Via do this. From example, I will choose the D shapes. I'm so sorry, it's a little bit shadowing because it's still early in the morning. Okay, the D shapes. You can counting all the squares inside. 1 shapes, 2 shapes, 3 shapes, 4 shapes, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So it means the shapes has a square x area, x square of area. Let's write it down. Okay, kids, I already write it to you. X of square area. Okay, let's continue about letter B, that shapes in letter B. Okay, you can counting the shapes, the square inside this shapes B, 1, 2, means that all of the square inside is 2 square area. Already, kids? Now you have to find another shapes by yourself. Shapes A, shape C, shape E, F, and G. After you find it, please put it in order. Because we already seeing there's no smaller than B, means that B is the smallest one between all of the shapes, right? So you can put B over here. Okay, so the first order is B. Please continue after this, after B, after this, and until you can reach the largest area of the square. Okay, kids? Okay, in this page, you don't need to make number 2 because it's using spinners. So that's why I didn't ask you to make this one. Okay, let's move to page 72. Okay, kids, let's see the next assessment. Number 1, find the areas of these polygons by counting the square. Actually, this question is the same as before, but when you think about this square, in the previous chapter and in the previous page, you already know but all of the square are full, right? But in this triangle, it's not full. You can see, I will zoom it for you. Okay, only 4 of the square that full and complete. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the others is actually not full at all. So that's why how to counting this. Okay, just let things in your mind. Okay, just think that these shapes, for example, number this one is acute triangle, if you fill it over here, can we complete the square? We move this one to over here. Can it complete the square? Yes, it can complete. So this one is also called as one complete square. Save them from now. Let's continue to this triangle. This little triangle can complete to this one. Of course, this also can complete. If we move this over here, it can complete the square, this kind of square. So let's save these two squares. And this one, this triangle can be full and become complete square over here. Yes, it also can complete. And this one is the same, it also can complete. Now we already have how many squares that are complete? Let's counting all together there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this triangle has the area of 8 of square area. Can you get it, everyone? Okay, let's continue by yourself. Number B, C, and D. This is actually the most difficult thing in this unit. Draw a triangle with an area of about 10 centimeters square. Okay, kids, you already know that it's actually not really difficult. You have to draw triangles that exactly when you find the area, it will be 10 centimeters square. How we do that, teacher? So you have to find the length of the triangle, the length, and the height of the triangle. Exactly what centimeters of length and height that can find of 10 centimeters. For example, here, if I put 4 over here and just think that 6 over here, dear, centimeters, and this one is centimeters. When I'm going to put it in the formula of the area of triangle, it will be a half times length times height, right? Okay, we put it over here. Okay, when I put this length is 4 and I put the height is 6. Okay, times them together. 4 times 6 is how many there? Okay, of course it's 24. Okay, when you divide it, 24 by 2 is the 12 centimeters square, right? Okay, now you have to find this length and this height, that exactly when you times them together, and after that you divide it by 2, it will be 10 centimeters. Now your turn. After you find the length and the height, please draw the triangle over here. And make sure that Teacher Fia always asking you to draw with a ruler. If you didn't draw exactly with a ruler, I'm so sorry, I will return your work. Okay, kids? Okay, this is what I'm counting before. I'm so sorry, I didn't realize that my video is actually being cut. So that's why you can see this over here, right? The length before is 4, the height before is 6. So when you times 4 times 6 is 24. Divided by 2 is 12 centimeters. So you have to find what is length when it's times what is height. When you divide it by 2 is exactly 10 centimeters. So after that, you can draw the triangle based on the length and the height. Okay, kids, let's continue your work. You have to continue Teacher Fia work by yourself. It's only 2 pages. Page 71, number 1 and 72, workbook number 1 and 2. I will not giving you too much work today, considering tomorrow will be Megang Day. So maybe your mom or your parents will be really busy. So that's why I'm only giving you 2 pages of workbook. It's not much, right? Okay, please make sure that you do your work and you give to Teacher Fia The due date is will be tomorrow at 11.